Dash adoption is basically what Will said in the speech before, where he said Hulu is doing it, Netflix is doing it, Viaplay, there's a couple of other companies. So it's growing and it's growing. BBC in England, for instance, want to support DVB-DASH, same for ITV. So that's one of the Dash profiles, the Dash standard, and that's progressing. So what I think is moving along. 12 months from now, I think what the BBC, which I just mentioned, is doing, they're asking device makers or device builders like TV builders and others to take the streams the BBC provides and adjust their devices to that. So in 12 months from now, you will see devices from, I don't know, the LGs and the Panasonics of this world, or Samsung, supporting DVB-DASH. So that's like a step forward. We brought t-shirts, streaming Dash, since 2011. So we've been involved in Dash from the beginning, basically. So even before it was standardized, we would work on it. We support all the profiles, so from HBB-TV to DVB-Dash to the main profile, live on demand, Dash 264. Even the MPEG-2TS playout format, so you have two. So we've been providing and working within the Dash community like a streaming server and a packager that have this functionality to make Dash go forward. We're a company from Amsterdam, the Netherlands, so we work closely within the European market, but we also do customers here in the United States, for instance, HBO Go, to name one. And from customers both in Europe as in US, there's interest and growing interest into Dash. So they keep asking how to do certain things, and we help them in that aspect. So, and if there's a feature request for within if you look at Dash subtitles, for instance, where in Europe for DVB-Dash it's specified it should be EBU-TT, but there's other standards that are possible as well. So that's the sort of thing we were working in. If you look at the DRM part of Dash, it's common encryption. So we have support from Marlin, Widevine, PlayReady. One of the things we did is where you have a PlayReady encrypted catalog, but you want to stream it out with Dash Widevine. Well, we make the transition happen by generating, which is what is called a PSSH box, from the content you have. So you don't have to do anything. You don't have to repackage. You can just stream it out, provided you make the content, the encryption key, available to the other license server. So we think it's a nice feature to transition into the phase. The reason for that is that Google dropped the NS API, or is dropping that. So your Chrome browser will not have PlayReady. So we help that transition within Dash using Widevine.